Hello everyone, and welcome back for another installment of our YouTube vlog. Today, we are standing outside of Hicksville number 7, which is actually located in the Bethpage School District. This home is situated on an 8,000 square foot lot with 5 beds, 3 baths, and we've manicured this property from corner to corner with sod, sprinklers, PVC fence, and so much more. With this particular build, we opted to finish the home 100% before starting our marketing push. I just wanted to be able to deal with the supply chain issues on my own instead of bringing a buyer along for the ride. And here we are today. We are 100% complete. I can't wait to take you inside and show you all of the interior finish. Now let's go inside. Everything you see here is what you've come to expect from a Pinnacle build. We actually still have to pop in our soffit lighting, but other than that, we're pretty much 100% complete. We ran wire for a Ring doorbell or whatever doorbell you choose, camera wire, cultured stone, CertainTeed siding, bluestone stoop, paver walkway, and of course, a double car driveway. Now let's continue inside where the quality is the first thing you'll notice. Right now we're standing in our double height entry foyer that's paneled all the way up the stairs and through that hallway. We're going to be installing a chandelier here in just a few days, but check out the height of this foyer. We've got a double coat closet right here, and through this hallway we opted for a totally open concept. So usually you'd have that formal living room right there, and we really wouldn't be able to squeeze in that 5th bedroom. So what we did was we made a nice size 5th bedroom with a full bath and opted for a full open floor plan here. Now what that allows you to do is you have an eat-in kitchen, you'll have room for a dinette centered under this fixture, and anywhere you see one of these builder grade fixtures, we've done a heavy duty bar box where you can install a ceiling fan, chandelier, or any type of fancy light fixture. So we've got our eat-in kitchen behind us, we've got room for a dinette lined up exactly with the sliding door, and then over here you've got this big family room with this beautiful Regency P36 fireplace, this large format porcelain tile, and as always, all your TVs are pre-wired for internet and TV throughout the house. Now through this little space right here, we've got this gorgeous full bath. I really like this modern looking black hex floor with this beautiful large format gray tile on the wall, and a lot of times that bedroom on the first floor becomes a 10 by 10 afterthought, but we certainly didn't do that here. We've got a full-size closet, as always, lights in all the closets, and this room's about 15 by 10. So you've got a lot of space here for mom or dad or your guests, and many of our buyers are working from home nowadays too, so this could be a great office as well. Now back to that kitchen. We went with our Fabuwood cabinets, which are a great option for builders and homeowners alike. We did MSI quartz countertops. The name of this color is Carrara Marmy. We did the dummy panels on both sides of the island to give it a nice finished look. And right through this way, we've got a formal dining space, once again, with a ceiling mounted bar box for your chandelier or heavy light fixture in the dining room. And through those sliding doors, we've got a patio, a fully sodded backyard, and the nice thing about this property is that it's 130 feet deep. Many of the properties in this neighborhood are about 100 feet deep, but this property, being over 8,000 square feet, is approximately 62 by 130. And that extra 30 feet, I know you're already thinking it, gives us room for a pool. So we're gonna go out there last, but just know that that sliding door gives us that flexibility to be having a barbecue right off the kitchen, entertaining in the family room, and as always, we did a basement stair going out from the basement to the outside. Now let's go upstairs where we've got 4 bedrooms and 2 additional baths. Now that we're upstairs, you'll notice this nice wide hallway where we've got 4 bedrooms, a laundry, a full bath, and this double height entry foyer, all kind of surrounded around this space. We've got 2 bedrooms on this side. We've got a pull down staircase for the attic in this room, and lots of natural light. We opted for Andersen 400 series windows in white here. You'll never go wrong with a household name like Andersen, lifetime warranty, screens, grills, and of course, they're energy rated in all 50 states. All our closets have lights. Every single bedroom is pre-wired for TV and internet. We've got another bedroom of similar size over here. 2-zone central air, 2-zone heat. A nice upgrade that we like to do is spray foam attic in all our new construction builds. And what that does is it creates a thermal envelope in the attic, keeping the 100-degree weather out in the summertime and the 10-degree weather out in the wintertime, keeping your utility bills totally under control and saving you money over the life of the ownership of your home. I love the look of the hex in this bathroom as well. We did a white Fabi wood vanity. Once again, MSI quartz countertops. This is a little different color than the one in the kitchen. We did Edgecomb gray Benjamin Moore on the walls. There's gonna be a shower door installed here, and I love all the black. We matched it everywhere with the tile trim, with the faucets, with the hardware, and of course, the shower fixtures as well. Now heading back through this hallway, we've got a 4th bedroom here and our primary suite on the right. And the first thing you notice when you walk into this room is the high ceilings. Of course, it's spray foam for energy efficiency. 4 full-size egress windows with this triple window, bringing in a ton of natural light from the outside. And whenever possible, to ensure that your partner has their own closet, we did 2 separate walk-in closets. One on this side with a door. Our closet systems will be coming next week. We've got another walk-in closet right here. And check out this gorgeous master bath. We've got a soaking tub, fully tiled shower, no dinky tile fiberglass bases here. We did a tiled shower base. There'll be a shower door installed here, double vanity, and whenever possible, I try to create a little bit of separation between the toilet and the rest of the bathroom. We've also got a nice sized window to bring in more natural light. As with all our basements and new construction builds, we don't finish the basement. It's something that you can opt to do later on, but for tax purposes, if you're not gonna be needing this space right off the bat, there's no need to finish it and pay the extra taxes. Now, some of the features that you probably won't see because the house is complete is this is a 9-foot basement with 10-inch walls. We did a special hand-applied full trowel Karnak waterproofing system on the exterior, which gives you a ton of protection, a lot better than that roll-on or spray-on crap that a lot of people use. And whenever you're ready to finish this basement, I recommend going with 2 inches of closed cell spray foam. We'll give you somewhere between R13 and R15 R value, and also provide some additional vapor barrier. Of course, underneath the slab, we did wire mesh and vapor barrier as well. And this basement's about 1,400 square feet. So whenever you're ready to finish it, you could definitely put a full bath down here, a game room for the kids, an office, whatever else you're looking for. And with this outside entrance, it'll make it a breeze to finish the basement in the future without wrecking everything that you have going on the inside of the house. Now let me take you to the best part, this extra deep backyard that's fully finished with sod, sprinklers, and PVC fencing. When you come out from this basement stair or from that sliding door in the family room, this is a 100% complete outdoor living space that you can start enjoying from the moment you move in. We've got a paver patio, sod throughout the backyard, and I've noticed we're one of the only builders that include sod in our finished builds in the backyard. A lot of folks will do it in the front yard, but they won't do it in the backyard. And this extra deep property leaves us room for a pool. And one little feature I want to show you, all our gutters are piped and go underground to a dry well in that back corner of the property. So no matter how much it rains, no water will ever accumulate next to your foundation. And we did that on all 4 corners. We've got camera wires poked out here as well. And look at this space. You could put a pool, there's room for the kids. You can start enjoying this space from the very moment that you move in. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. Once again, we are at Hicksville 7, located in the Bethpage School District. This home is 100% complete. It's only May, so you could be moved in and fully situated before the school year starts. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and follow me on Instagram for more content like this on a daily basis. @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a great day.